In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sponsor block this merchant on Cash App. So if you see this error on Cash App, it typically occurs when a sponsor or a parent or guardian overseeing a teen account for users under 18 has restricted transactions with a specific merchant due to security, compliance, or policy reasons. And here is how to address it and potentially fix the issue. So the first thing you need to do is you need to understand why you were blocked in the first place. So if you're a teen with a sponsored account, your sponsor can block certain merchants to control spending, often for safety to prevent unauthorized transactions. So common reasons for the block include suspicious activity, the merchant may be flagged for fraud or unusual transaction, policy violations, the merchant may have violated Cash App's terms of service, sponsor preferences, your sponsor may have intentionally restricted specific websites or merchants. For example, they may have blocked merchants like Patreon or something like that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to contact your sponsor. So if you're the teen account holder, reach out to your sponsor, whether it's a parent or a guardian, and ask why the merchant is blocked. They may have set restrictions intentionally or accidentally. It could have all just been an accident, so you always want to go ahead and ask your sponsor first. Then you need to verify the merchant legitimacy. Make sure that the merchant is reputable and complies with Cash App's policies. So you want to check for any history of fraud or disputes associated with the merchant. And if the merchant seems questionable, consider using a different vendor to avoid future issues. What you guys could also do is that if the merchant remains blocked, you can use another payment platform like PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card from another bank to complete the transaction. But I mean, that really is something that you guys have to decide for yourself. And obviously, if you do have another form of payment, I just wanted to go ahead and put that out there and express that that is actually an option. You guys could go ahead and also contact the Cash App customer support. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see support. Then scroll down even more until you see chat, and then it will say available 24/7. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on that. And then from here, you want to explain to them your situation, explain to them that you're experiencing this issue and you tried everything, but things are not working. And then they will attempt to walk you through the process to actually solve this problem. But if this issue still does persist, then what I personally recommend that you guys do is actually remove the adult as a sponsor. So try to remove the sponsor and then see if that does work. So you will need to be over 18 in order for this to work, but you guys could actually do that. Just remove the sponsor and then afterwards try to see if you get that error still. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.